and welcome to 1435 India Street Unit 406 in the highly desirable Portico community, right in the heart of downtown San Diego's vibrant Little Italy neighborhood. This beautifully updated single-level, one-bedroom condo offers easy urban living just 3 blocks from the San Diego Bay, Waterfront Park, and the historic Star of India. The updated kitchen opens seamlessly to the spacious living room, capturing functional living that is ideal for entertaining or relaxing after a day in the city. Additional features include laminate flooring, an updated bath, private laundry, dedicated parking, and a generously sized bedroom that offers plenty of comfort and storage. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, second home, or the perfect San Diego pied-à-terre, this home checks all the boxes. And the lifestyle here is hard to beat. Morning walks along the waterfront, Little Italy's incredible restaurants and cafes just outside your door, nearby farmers markets, museums, and easy access to all that downtown San Diego has to offer. Affordable HOA dues, an unbeatable location, and move-in ready condition make this an incredible opportunity to enjoy one of San Diego's most walkable and exciting neighborhoods. Call me today to make this dream your reality.